Hi friends, let us study the next plain, that is the Brahmputra Plains. The Brahmputra Plains, as we know, are also known as Assam Plains, or it is also known as an Assam Valley. Now, it is a very narrow region which is bordered on the north by the Himalayas and in the south by the Peninsular Plateau, that is the part of the Peninsular Plateau, that is the Garo, Khasi and the Jaintia Hill region. In the terms of flow, in the terms of amount of water, Brahmaputra is the fourth largest river in the world. And it is joined by numerous tributaries which either originate on the north part of the Himalayas or in the hill regions of the Peninsular Plateau, that is the Garo, Khasi, Jaintia Hill region. You also know that the northeastern part of India and this region receives very, very heavy rainfall, and therefore this Brahmaputra river carries large amount of sediment load along with it. So therefore this Brahmaputra river region, because of very high sedimentation and high amount of rainfall, this area receives very high amount of rainfall, and therefore the Brahmaputra river constantly shifts its course because the amount of sediment load is high and the amount of water is also high. You can see in the map that the green area is the so narrow area from where the Brahmaputra is flowing, while the other areas here in this map are the areas which are surrounding the Brahmaputra river region, and therefore through this narrow river channel mighty Brahmaputra flows, depositing the sediments, causing the Brahmaputra to constantly change its course with what we call as the shifting of the rivers, and therefore this area is highly flood prone. Now Brahmaputra and because it constantly changes its course, Brahmaputra river is an example of a braided river channel. What is a braided river channel? A braided river channel is a type of a channel that consists of the network of small channels. If this is a river, it consists of numerous it is flowing in this direction. Later on, the river will shift its flow and flow in some other direction. Later on, the river will shift its course and flow in some other direction. River will shift its course and flow in some other direction. The Beachmeka area, the land here which I am shading now, consists of islands or land. Such a river channel looks like a choti, or it is known as an braided river channel. And Brahmaputra river is an example of a braided river, and you can see in the diagram how the river Brahmaputra does not have a constant channel. It is going through different direction, and beach mein there is a land what we call as a braided river channel in this diagram which I have drawn, also in the map which I have shown. So Brahmaputra river is known as a braided river, and it consists of such a braided channel anywhere will consist of numerous islands, out of which the Majuli Island, which lies in the Jorhat district of Assam, is the largest riverine island in India and one of the largest riverine island in the world. One of the largest, again not the largest, but it is one of the largest riverine island in the world. You can see where the Majuli Island is there in the topmost and in which district it lies, and in the next photo I have shown you the aerial view of an Majuli Island. You remember Majuli Island is one of the largest riverine island in the world. One of the largest riverine island in the world. Obviously, when it is the largest riverine island in the world, it obviously means it is the biggest in which country? In India. In which district? In the Jorhat district of Assam. So these are the important points you remember about the Brahmaputra river channel, numerous islands, frequent flooding, and the braided nature of the rivers. So we will meet again in the future lectures. Thank you very much till that time.